Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So I am so happy to announce that we are having a birthday bash, and it's called A White Affair Birthday, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Okay, now we also have some beautiful co-hosts with us, and one of them is Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Then we have Simone with Creations by Simone. Then we have Denise from Glam Style Living. And yeah, we are going to have a birthday bash, guys. Now, at the beginning of the video, I'm going to go ahead and post the details and the rules to this collab, but I'm also going to be posting it in my community tab, so make sure and head on over there for the details. Okay, now with this all-white affair, we want to do something classy, and we just want to have fun. So you can go ahead and decorate any area of your home, or you can just do something different. The thing is that we want to have fun on our birthday, and also make sure to mention if it is your birthday so that we can shout you out. Remember, we're trying to celebrate ourselves on our birthday. So if you're having a summer birthday, whether it's July or August or in the season, let us know and we will shout your name out. Remember that it is a white affair, but we do want to add some pop of color. Okay, so long as we bring it classy and have fun. Okay, so the collab date is for July 20th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if we head on over here to this DIY I decided to make while announcing this, we're going to make two little floral decorations here with reusable items, and we are using the Cricut machine. So I'm going to go ahead and finish embellishing this and leave you to some music, and I'll talk to you at the end. So as Penny and I are making this video, it is her birthday today, so make sure and shout her out. Happy birthday, Penny. And my birthday is toward the end of the month, and Ali has a birthday, and even though she's not co-hosting with us, Felicia from the Rogers house also has a birthday, so we want to add to that list. It is a birthday bash, and I want to have such a good time. Now I decided to print using the Cricut machine 2 little butterflies. One is going to go on one jar and the other one's going to go on another jar. And yes, they are jars. I was going to get rid of them, so I said, let me go ahead and revamp these. Spray painted them in that navy blue color, put a gold trim around the top, and added the butterflies. And then we're just going to add some florals, and I'm going to take you over to the reveal. So it's going to be wonderful to see what everybody loves to do on their birthday, because we're all so different. And so that's going to be the fun part of this, and I cannot wait. So we are almost done with these. We're going to place the florals in them and then head on over to the reveal. Let's go display these. I love it. I do want to take a moment and say happy birthday, Penny. I hope that you have a blessed day and that God gives you your heart's desire. Remember that the White Affair birthday details is going to be in my community tab. So head on over there and get all of the details, including the hashtag. And I cannot wait to see you there, guys. I'm so excited about this. You know, I'm absolutely loving these two little decor pieces, and they really didn't cost me anything but the florals. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.